Cyrus, okay? Let's have a little bit of a chat, because apparently you have reached an age where you're using your beak a little bit too hard. And, you know, there's a thing called cause and effect, right? So if you bite me, the affection, see, it goes away, completely goes away, right? Understand? Okay, cool. So, just a minute, I'm not done, okay? So when we use our beaks, we only use our beaks in a gentle manner. So for example, little boop, nope, that's too hard. Too much. Yes, too much. Gentle beak. Yes, good girl. You can step up there. Good girl. That's how we use our beak.